Hello, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to walk you through the proper steps of how to replace the heating element in your electric dryer. Okay, in order to replace the heating element in your electric dryer, the first thing we need to do is to remove the wires to the heating element itself. You don't need to remove any of these other wires, those are to the thermostats, just the two wires to the element. Once we remove those, we need to remove the guard cover. Once the cover is removed, there's one more screw here that actually holds the heating element into the housing. Once all the screws are removed, you can grab on the actual element itself and just pull it out. Okay, for demonstration purposes, we're going to use the same heating element we just removed and go ahead and reinstall it. Just go ahead and line the element up with the grooves on the side here. With the groove on the side there. Make sure you push it in all the way. You're then going to line up the screw hole on the side from the screw we took out earlier. After we've attached the element, we can go ahead and reattach the element wires and then reinstall the guard plate. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked you through the proper steps of how to replace the heating element in your electric dryer.